guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki, and today I'm participating on the seasonal wreath challenge fall 2019, hosted by Pam from Creative Homescaping, and she wanted us to make, revamp, or redo our wreath, and I decided I wanted to revamp my old wreath, so I removed everything. But first, let me show you how it looked. This is how the wreath looks. It's beautiful, but I just wanted something different. As I said, I removed everything from it to start fresh. And for that, I'm going to use this banner, some floral, and those antlers. All of that from Walmart, the banner I made. So let's get started. First, we're going to start adding these branches from Walmart. Those are 97 cents and are the ones that come with corn husk and feathers. Now I'm adding some eucalyptus I bought at eBay. And I'm going to add 4 branches total. 2 on each side, just like that. And as you can see, I'm just gluing them to my wreath, just like that. And now I'm gonna grab my cotton and I'm gonna cut it from the stem because I want to arrange them a little bit different from how they come. That cotton stem is from Walmart, yes, last year from Walmart. I think they're gonna bring them back this year. And I'm going to add my cotton to that, and I'm going to repeat on the other side. And first I'm going to glue this twisty thingies with a feather. And now I'm going to add my cotton to the other side, just like that, repeating the same pattern. And we add our cotton over there. And I'm playing with it a little bit because it's from last year. And now I'm gonna add this greenery with some leaves and the twisty thingies to the other side. I don't know the name for that, so those are twisty thingies. And now I'm gonna check out the banner, but I don't like how that looks, so we're not gonna use it. And we're gonna grab those packages from Walmart, 98 cents, and we're gonna add those to the empty spot we have there from the building, the swag on the wreath space. Yeah, that's a weird name, but it's the space that you have left over when you build your swag and you're not using a bow. So I'm adding those over there, and I'm gonna put some gourds and pumpkins and also pine cones to that. And as you can see, I'm playing around with what I like and how I like them. And now I added that pumpkin, and this is how that's gonna look. Just like that. I'm gonna play around a little bit more, but that will be it. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, we have our floral, we have our pumpkins, we have that beautiful swag I made. This is the pumpkins and gourds, and those are the feathers. This is how it looks. In the description box down below, I'm gonna leave you the link to the playlist and also to our challenge host. I just want to take this opportunity to thank Pam for bringing us this awesome challenge. I love how my wreath turned out. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.